So I am somebody that whenever I'm getting any brightening product, I always run and go and check the ingredients list, because the ingredients list will determine if I should be having high expectation in terms of the brightening effects, or if it's something that I should just lower my expectation. Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. So today's video we are going to be reviewing a body lotion together, and this body lotion is no other than the Skin by Zaron Vitamin C body lotion. Yes, now this body lotion is promising to do a lot of things. It promises to hydrate the skin, it promises to firm the skin, and it's also promised to brighten up the skin. Now you guys know that I'm a big fan of products that brighten up the skin and also hydrate the skin, and in this particular product they are not just giving the brightening effect, the hydrating effect, but it is also going to make the skin firm. So it is a very good body lotion that I will recommend for anyone that is ready to use this particular body lotion. Now let's talk about the ingredients list, because I'm already getting excited about this body lotion already, because I make sure that I recommend this body lotion for a client that has been with me since 2021 when I was still doing my organic skincare products, and now that I have switched to over-the-counter products, she's still here and she still want me to recommend things for her, and I just recommend this particular body lotion for her. She used it like few weeks ago, I think up to 2 weeks, and she came back with her results telling me that this body lotion is really nice. So that is the main reason why I am coming here to review this body lotion with you guys and let you know if it's something that you're going to buy or if it's something that you're going to just put aside. Okay, so now let's focus on the ingredients list. The ingredients list, it contains vitamin C, it contains alpha-arbutin, it contains collagen, and also it contains vitamin E. Now with all these active ingredients in this particular body lotion, you will be rest assured that this body lotion is going to do a lot of things for your skin, right? We have vitamin C, which is a very good brightening agent in terms of brightening up the skin, clearing dark spots and all of that. And also we have alpha-arbutin, which is also going to brighten up the skin. Like if you are using alpha-arbutin, with time it is also going to lighten up your skin. This is a very good natural lightening agent. It is not going to bleach your skin. It is just going to give your skin that natural lightening effect on your skin. So these are some of the products that are in this particular lotion. So I am somebody that whenever I'm getting any brightening product, I always run and go and check the ingredients list, because the ingredients list will determine if I should be having high expectation in terms of the brightening effect, or if it's something that I should just lower my expectation. Okay, so in this particular body lotion, it contains a lot of brightening ingredients that are going to brighten up the skin, and with constant usage it is also going to lightening up the skin really good. Now let's talk about the hydrating effect. Now because this particular body lotion is containing a lot of active ingredients which can sometimes be drying on the skin, I am not going to be giving you guys 100% that this body lotion is going to really hydrate your skin like it claims. It is not going to hydrate your skin. If you have normal skin and if you have oily skin, you will not have any issues with this body lotion, because it is really going to moisturize your skin to some extent. But when it comes to people with dry skin, I don't think that this body lotion is really going to be that moisturizing. So this is where the next product comes in, which is the E45 moisturizing body lotion. Now this body lotion is very good for people with dry skin and sensitive skin. So if you are using the Skin by Zaron Vitamin C body lotion, you can pair it with the E45 body lotion and use it together to get the full benefit of the particular lotion. Okay, so this particular E45 lotion, it is going to moisturize your skin very well. It is for dry skin and also for sensitive skin, so it's going to moisturize your skin very well, like for a very long period of time. While the Skin by Zaron lotion is going to moisturize your skin, but it is not going to moisturize your skin that long, because it contains a lot of active ingredients. What do you expect? It's not going to eventually moisturize your skin for that long, so you need to pair it with another body lotion, another moisturizing body lotion that is really going to moisturize your skin, that is just a moisturizer. It doesn't have any brightening effect, it doesn't have any active ingredients in the lotion. It's just going to moisturize your skin. That is the only job that this particular lotion is going to do for you. Okay, so you might want to just pair it together and be using this lotion together. Now, how are you going to use this body lotion? Because eventually you need to follow an instruction when you are using this body lotion to get the full benefit of this lotion. Because a lot of people complain that this body lotion is giving them dark knuckles, which I eventually frown at whenever I see comments like that, because when you are using a particular body lotion very well, it is not going to give you any kind of reaction. Now, before I move to the next thing, I want to also tell you guys that before you use any product, try to do your skin patch test. Okay, try to do your skin patch test before applying any kind of body lotion into your skin. Any body lotion that is brightening or that is lightening, try to do a skin patch test to that body lotion to see if it's something that is really going to suit your skin or if it's something that is going to irritate your skin. But when it comes to this particular body lotion, it is not going to really irritate your skin, because I don't see any kind of ingredients that is going to irritate your skin there. No, it is not going to irritate your skin. The only thing that I know for sure that this body lotion is not going to really moisturize your skin. If you have dry skin, it is not going to really moisturize your skin. But if you have oily skin or normal skin, you're not going to be having any issues with this body lotion. Now, when it comes to usage, you are not supposed to be using this particular body lotion every day, because when I see the ingredient list, I think of this body lotion is more of a treatment body lotion than an everyday body lotion, like a regular body lotion that you can just use every day. No, this body lotion, you're supposed to be using it at least 4 times weekly, and you're supposed to be using it only at night, because it contains a lot of lightening or brightening agent that is going to really, brighten up your skin. So you might want to be using this lotion only at night. But eventually, if you want to be using it during the day as well, get a good sunscreen. Now, I'm not saying that get sunscreen. I said get a good sunscreen. I emphasize on the word good, because there are a lot of sunscreen in the market, but you need to get a good sunscreen that is at least SPF 50 and above to really protect your skin. While using this particular lotion, you need to really protect your skin and use it like 4 times weekly. And when you are using a particular body lotion, try and get a moisturizing body lotion that you can use every other day, and use your Skin by Zaron vitamin C body lotion like 4 times weekly, and you will get the perfect results of using this body lotion. With that being said, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do it to like my video and also subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and also share this video with someone, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.